music, as well as many other regions that are stimulated by music. Number 2, it's a very social activity. It boosts social skills, turn-taking, peer interaction. I know we're at home now, but it works really good to sing songs, especially amongst peers, for great interaction. Number 3, really important. It's always been fun, safe, and unifying. Music is enjoyable and therapeutic. Instruments, live music, singing, dancing is always fun, but most importantly, it brings all people together. Look at the jazz movement. Look at rock in the 60s and 70s. Look at the hip-hop movement that began in the Bronx and how hip-hop spread across the world. Awesome stuff with music. Next, music is very multi-sensory. You can touch, taste, smell, hear, and see music. And lastly, it's a form of communication. It aids in speech development, and it's perfect for nonverbal communication. So, here at Schoolhouse 7, we wanted to show you today how you can create music and instruments at home using things like empty soup cans, tape, and balloons, and a pair of corks with chopsticks. We made a cool little set of drums. We didn't have drums. These aren't very loud, so they work awesome. We also created a rattle out of shells. This one is similar to what shamans used in Indonesia way back before the 20th century, and Native Americans who used turtle shells for music instruments here in America. The next thing we have for you is a pair of maracas. They were invented by the Taino culture in the 16th and 17th century in Latin America. I made these with 2 spoons, an old Easter egg, and some beans. And one more to show you, actually 2. We've got what's called an mbira. This is a real mbira or a kalimba. This was made in Africa in the Zambezi River Valley 1,300 years ago by the Shona tribe. I used some bobby pins and some staples and an old piece of fence, and we made a kalimba at home. And lastly, we've got a rain stick. I made this rain stick with 2 old paper towel rolls and some pipe cleaner. So there you have it. These are all really cool things you can make at home. Make some instruments today. Music is love. Keep reading, keep writing, but most importantly, be safe.